You searched how to buy shares of Qwamplify SA. Qwamplify is a marketing technology company listed on Euronext with ticker ALQWA.PA, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ALQWA.PA to find the stock. Select the matching result to ensure you locate the correct Qwamplify listing. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart. Double-check the company description in the ALQWA.PA ticker to confirm it is the correct stock. Tap Invest or Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued as a market or limit order. And if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to open an account or view the platform.